Hi there, students. Robust, an adjective. Robustly, the adverb. Robustness, the noun for the quality. Okay, if someone is robust or something is robust, it's very strong and healthy. So in spring, plants start with robust growth, strong growth. He's very robust from working out in the gym every day. Yeah, something that's strong, that's healthy, that doesn't break easily. Yeah, some people are more robust than others. Robust people will probably be less affected by COVID. He's robustly healthy. Okay, let's see. In engineering, you use the word robust to mean something, a system that is strong and resistant to total failure, despite the fact that it gets some damaged in various ways. So, resistant or impervious to failure, whatever the user does. In statistics, you can use the word robust, meaning something that's not greatly influenced by errors. You could make robust assumptions. These are reasonable, good assumptions. Okay, so robust, full of strength and health and vitality. Yeah, she was a robust young woman. The builders constructed a very robust wall around the house. A prison must have a robust fence around it. So, we can also use robust, powerfully built, sturdy. Yeah? So, yeah, as in the robust body. Or you can also use it to mean something that needs a lot of strength or a lot of energy. So he has a very robust workout every day. And then more metaphorically, there was a robust debate about this matter. Very vibrant, dynamic and active. Yeah, the world's economy is not very robust at the moment, working in an effective, productive way. Yeah, and even you could talk about a wine or a flavour being robust. So very rich and full. Yeah, it's not weak and bland, but it's got a very robust flavour. Okay, yes. Substantial as well. His profits in the stock market have been very robust, very strong. Okay, so robust. This is to do with strength. He robustly denied that he had done anything. He vigorously denied it. He exercises robustly. You need to be very robust to carry out this job because it's very hard. It's a difficult job to do. Yeah, and it will be a test of your robustness. Okay, so yeah, a very robust flavour. This curry has a very robust and rich flavour. The whole family are a robust lot. They're vigorous, tough, powerful. Yeah, an object is robust. It's durable. It's resilient. It's tough. It's hard wearing. It doesn't break. A system or a theory can be robust. It's able to withstand difficult conditions. Uncompromising and forceful. He gave a very robust denial of the accusations, and then strong flavoured. Yeah, this sauce has a very robust flavour. Okay, so this has got to do with life, strength, energy, things like that. Robust, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. I might say strong, vigorous, durable, healthy, something like that. But more commonly, a semi-formal writing, particularly something a bit literary or something very formal as well, would do very nicely. And then as to origin, it comes from the Latin word robustus, from robus meaning strength, or hard wood, or hard or oak, for example. Okay, yeah. I think Robusta is the name of the oak tree as well, because the wood is quite robust. It doesn't rot easily. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Robust, robustly, robustness.